Charlie. Charlie, get out of there. Let's go. That's the greenhouse right behind my house. My house is that way. It's right there, actually. Here's our toboggan hill. Now my kids are older, we don't go here, but this is still you think it's not much of a hill. I can tell you there's many a parent that's had a sore back on this one after half a case of beer. Actually, this is good. The snow, no one's been on it. It's fluffy though. We got a lot of good tobogganing out of this hill. Charlie! He's over there. There he is with Linda's. He's coming. Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Where were you? Man, let's go. Good dog. You're the best dog, aren't you? This is our walk. Our morning. That's Copper Cliff. December whatever. I don't know. It's close to Christmas now. Another week or so. There's they cut through here. That's the back of Mickey Mouse right there. Oh, my hand's freezing. Good morning. Merry Christmas to my family I still see and the ones I don't. Merry Christmas. Charlie, come on. See, he's over there. Now, this is where I see him walking behind that tree. I'm gonna piss, he's looking over to see if I'm looking for him now. As soon as he turns his back for a bit more than a minute, I'm taking off. Here we go, we're gone. Alright. Now we make our escape, we run away from Charlie. This is how, whoops, we killed the dog. Sorry, Willie. Now we gotta hide on Charlie now. Get down here. We usually find, come on, Willie. Oh, he got us! You're the best dog. Can't fool you. And that's our game. Yeah, good boy, Charlie.